What is the capital of Bihar? A. Gaya. B. Patna. C. Muzaffarpur. D. Bhagalpur. Answer. B. Patna. Which river flows through Patna? A. Yamuna. B. Narmada. C. Ganga. D. Godavari. Answer. C. Ganga. Which is the largest district of Bihar by area? A. Gaya. B. Patna. C. West Champaran. D. Nalanda. Answer. C. West Champaran. Where was Gautam Buddha enlightened? A. Vaishali. B. Rajgir. C. Sarnath. D. Bodh Gaya. Answer. D. Bodh Gaya. Which city is known as the land of knowledge? A. Ara. B. Nalanda. C. Kishanganj. D. Sitamarhi. Answer. B. Nalanda. Which is the official language of Bihar? A. Hindi. B. Punjabi. C. Tamil. D. Telugu. Answer. A. Hindi. The ancient university Nalanda was destroyed by A. Babur. B. Bakhtiyar Khilji. C. Aurangzeb. D. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Answer. B. Bakhtiyar Khilji. Where is the famous Vikramshila University located? A. Patna. B. Bhagalpur. C. Darbhanga. D. Rajgir. Answer. B. Bhagalpur. Which festival is most famous in Bihar? A. Pongal. B. Chhath Puja. C. Bihu. D. Onam. Answer. B. Chhath Puja. Which is the longest river in Bihar? A. Kosi. B. Gandak. C. Ganga. D. Punpun. Answer. C. Ganga. Which city is known as the Silk City of Bihar? A. Gaya. B. Patna. C. Bhagalpur. D. Muzaffarpur. Answer. C. Bhagalpur. Who was the first Chief Minister of Bihar? A. Karpuri Thakur. B. Shri Krishna Singh. C. Nitish Kumar. D. Lalu Prasad Yadav. Answer. B. Shri Krishna Singh. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Bihar? A. Valmiki Wildlife Sanctuary. B. Jim Corbett National Park. C. Gir Forest. D. Periya Wildlife Sanctuary. Answer. A. Valmiki Wildlife Sanctuary. Who is known as the Bihar Kesari? A. Kumwar Singh. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Shri Krishna Sinha. D. Satchidananda Sinha. Answer. A. Kumwar Singh. Which city is famous for lychee production? A. Bhagalpur. B. Muzaffarpur. C. Purnia. D. Sitamarhi. Answer. B. Muzaffarpur. Bihar was separated from which state in 1912? A. Bengal. B. Orissa. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Assam. Answer. A. Bengal. Who was the first president of India from Bihar? A. Zakir Hussain. B. Pranab Mukherjee. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. V. Giri. Answer. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga. B. Kosi. C. Son. D. Ghagra. Answer. B. Kosi. Where is the Rajgir Hot Springs located? A. Patna. B. Nalanda. C. Muzaffarpur. D. Begusarai. Answer. B. Nalanda. Which is the High Court of Bihar? A. Gaya High Court. B. Patna High Court. C. Nalanda High Court. D. Bhagalpur High Court. Answer. B. Patna High Court. Who led the Champaran Satyagraha? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Sardar Patel. Answer. B. Mahatma Gandhi. Champaran is famous for which crop? A. Wheat. B. Cotton. C. Indigo. D. Tobacco. Answer. C. Indigo. Which airport is located in Bihar? A. Netaji Subhas Airport. B. Rajiv Gandhi Airport. C. Jai Prakash Narayan Airport. D. Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Answer. C. Jai Prakash Narayan Airport. Which district is known for Madhubani painting? A. Darbhanga. B. Patna. C. Gaya. D. Madhubani. Answer. D. Madhubani. Which national park is in Bihar? A. Valmiki National Park. B. Kaziranga. C. Ranthambore. D. Kana. Answer. A. Valmiki National Park.